Hi everybody, it's Susan here from Susan Makes Jewelry and More. I got another box to unbox. This time it's the CreateAlong box, and I just got it in the mail today, and I'm all excited because I love the stuff they send. They have amazing how-to videos, and they have a Facebook page called CreateAlong Tribe, and no, Polymer Clay Tribe, I'll get it right yet. And then Polymer Clay TV on YouTube. They've been doing videos for 10 years. 10 years. I don't know if I could do that for 10 years. To come up with ideas all the time, pretty dang cool. Anyway, I've been recording a bunch of videos, and I'm putting them on slowly but surely on my website. So please take a look at them, and I hope that you do like my videos. If you have any ideas for anything, please let me know. I'm always willing to try something out if I can, and I hope to hear some responses from everybody. So without further ado, CreateAlong box, November. Oh, this month it's pattern play, so I'm not gonna look. It's a nice little wrap. Oh, first thing I see here are these deco squares. Oh wow, these are cool. I like these because they're small, but they're nice and deep so that you can get a good impression on your clay. That's really cool. Kind of looks like flowers in motion. And here we got like a zigzaggy kind. And like doodle-doodle-doo, doodle-doodle-doo. Anyway, those are cool. I love these. I've amassed quite a collection of these little deco discs. And CreateAlong also sells all these things separately as well. So, oh wow. This is our cutter for the month. Cool. I love it. I gotta make something out of that one. That'd make an awesome focal. Awesome. But they have cutters, they have silk screens, they have, oh my gosh, all kinds of stuff. They have lots of different cutters. And ooh, what do we got here in the goodie box? What do we got here? Oh, I love these. They are heat fix, like little rhinestones. Come on, flipsy doodles. Oh, how cool. You see that? Cool. Got a whole little bucket of these little shiny critters. I bought some, they were called dragon scales or something like that. Oh my golly, they are so fun to play with. And then we have some. This is, I got Color Fuse, I think it's called. Oh, wow. It looks like it's a couple of different kind of glitters or something together. Ooh, that's gonna be fun to play with too. And let's put these back. Come on. Oh, I've never had these before. The pan pastels. I do have just pastel chalk. Oh, cool. Oh, I love this color. Oh, wow. Apply pastel color like paint. Oh my golly. Oh wow, it's silky soft. Look at that copper. Oh my golly. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wiggle my finger around enough to get to see it. There you go. Oh wow, that's a beautiful copper. Cool. I've heard so many people talk about pan pastels that it doesn't take much to get the look you're looking for. But and you can use these on so many different surfaces besides polymer clay. So wherever you could use chalk, you could use this. Okay. Oh, how pretty! A necklace. Come on. Oh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, why are you in there? I know you're not supposed to be in there. I don't believe you are. There you go. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. You know what? I could resin that bad boy up. Give it a little more glitz. That's pretty, though. Isn't that the gorgeous? Oh, Mama needed something nice and blingy to wear. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, how cool. These are like ornaments that you can decorate with polymer clay, and you can bake them because this won't hurt them. And you can do whatever you want. Oh my golly, there's two of each. No, there's one of each shape. Cool. I'll bet my daughter would have a field day making stuff with me for Christmas. I let my kids decorate the tree now. They're teenagers. They're old enough. I'm like, if you want the tree, you gotta decorate it. And the final shebang, this is my favorite part here. They have this amazing paper, and it's magic transfer paper. So you can color this whatever you want, and then you can add it onto your clay, and you put it in the water, and the water dissolves, but the pattern stays on. It's so cool. And they always send it with a card as to how to do it. They even sell the paper blank, so you could do your own. I'm pretty sure you have to use a laser printer. Yeah. It says print with laser printer only. The paper disintegrates in liquid. So how cool is that? But if you're going to do it on a printer yourself, you have to, what's it called? Do the thing backwards. So anyway, then we have a silk screen. Can you see that? It's two different. There's like a chevron design here. Oh, let's do it this way. So chevron here, and then it's hard to say what this would be called, but it's got all kinds of beautiful shapes. This is cool. This would be cool to do for a double-sided necklace, you know. I think that would be a cool idea. And then we have some geometric shapes that you can use to cut out different things that you like. So Thank you so much from CreateAlong.com. I will put all of these little goodies away in here before I lose them, and I don't want to lose them because I like them too much. So we have the Pattern Play Silkscreen, Pattern Play Deco discs, the 3 little orange discs, Tanagram template, cut out and assemble all kinds of shapes. That's the last little thing I showed you. Then the cutter, it's an oval diamond cutter with the center hole, and paper mache shrine ornaments, and then the pendant necklace. The Color Fuse limited edition, that's that dark brown thing I showed you. The Hot Fix square glass rhinestones, and the metallic copper pan pastel, and then the magic transfer paper. So this was an awesome box. I love everything in it. This normally goes, I think it's $34, something like that. But, and it says right here, this is a $62 retail box. It has all the prices of everything that they sell on their website. Everything here they sell on their website. They've got tons and tons of amazing things on there. I have spent way too much money on that, but that's okay. Don't tell my husband. Anyway, but I wanted to show you this because it's so cool. I love the community in the polymer clay community. They are amazing people, and the girls over at Polymer Clay Tribe are top notch. I love if I'm stuck doing, trying to figure something out, someone has always got, how to do it. And it makes me feel so good to know that I can go there and ask questions, and they're awesome. They're just awesome. So let me know if you like this video. Hit the like button. I'm always looking to make new friends, so please share this video with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and also hit the bell so that you can get alerts every time I post a video. I've got, I think 5 or 6 videos on already. I've got a bunch of them I have recorded that I'm in the process of editing, so I hope that you all join me on each edition. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I hope you all are staying nice and warm. It's been gorgeous during the days and chilly at night, which I love fall, and I'm so glad I don't have to run the air conditioning anymore or the fans. I hate that part. Anyway, another thing I love to remind people is to do random acts of kindness. Do something nice for someone, even if it's just letting someone in front of you in the lane in the car, like on the highway or something. Think of someone else, and not just your kids or your husband or whatever. Think of others. Open a door for someone. It could be as simple as smile. Buy a cup of coffee for someone. Every now and again, if I'm able to, if I'm in the line at McDonald's or wherever, I'll just offer to pay for the people behind me. And most of the time they're just getting a couple things and it's not much. But by golly, it sure makes a world of difference. And I tell the cashier, I say, just tell them to pay it forward. So hopefully those people are paying it forward. So just little things like that mean the world. So I hope that you all take a little advice and do a little something nice for someone. I'm also doing 30 days of thankfulness on my Instagram, where I'm posting every day something that I'm grateful for. So I'd love to hear what you all are grateful for. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. My best to everyone. I hope you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Peace.